welcome to Little Elves Workshops. If you don't know me, my name is Nina. If you do know me, hello, how you doing? You alright? Today I was going to do some things with leaves. Have you been out in your garden today? Have you been on your walk? When you next go, can you get some of these? They're just like the fir trees that you get everywhere, the Leylandi. The ones that grow really, really quickly, really high. Can you get some of these? Because these are the best kind of leaves for what we're doing. I've tried all different types of leaves, and these are the really strong leaves, and they work really well. So what I thought we could do is, there's two things that are quite good to do with these. One of them is to make your leaf look like it's made of metal. And what we do, can you see that? Can you see that in the light? Does that show? Yeah. So what we do is we get a piece of cardboard, cereal boxes, whatever you can get, cut a square or a rectangle, get a piece of your leaf. I've put a bit of double-sided sticky tape on it. You can just put a little bit of prick stick glue. And it's just to hold it gently in place. So I'm going to put that in the middle of my cardboard. Can you see this all right? Yeah. And then get some foil from your kitchen. Ask Mum or Dad if that's all right. So you just need a piece, just cut a piece that will wrap around your, just cover up your bit of cardboard, okay? Shiny side down. Have the dull side up, because it just helps to add that bit of to make it look like oldie sort of metal. So put that across, just fold it around it. Because it's foil, you don't need to put any sellotape or anything on it because it holds the shape really nicely. Then you get a dark coloured marker or felt tip pen, okay? And you rub it over your leaf. You can start to see the veins of the leaf shining through. And when you've done that, get a tissue or a bit of rag. I don't know if you have any tissues in your house, so maybe ask. So get a tissue, and then you rub it over the top. And can you get closer to this, Brian?
I've zoomed in.
And you can really see, it's like magic. You can see the pattern shining through. And it looks like it's had some special treatment done. Can you see that?
Tilt it towards the light. Oh, that looks really, yeah.
It's good, isn't it? And other things you can do, you've probably done this before, is you get your tissue paper. Do you have tissue paper? Get some tissue paper, get your leaf, have this, the matte side up, so the really shiny stuff, put that down, put it across your leaf, and then you want your crayons. Right, and a nice bright colour, but because this is dark blue, I'm going to put white on it, so it looks really good. I've taken the papers off the edges of my crayons to use the flat side, but it's up to you how you want to do it. Hold it gently down. And you can see the pattern of your leaf coming through. See that? And when I did this last time, I actually thought it looked like there were trees and then there was like a lake or something underneath, as if it was reflecting into the lake. I thought it looked like a nice picture. And I put a frame round it. If you don't have these frames, these are like craft frames that I just had, you could frame your pictures with lollipop sticks if you have them. Or you could ask your parent to message me and I can send you this stuff, okay? And remember, I won't charge you. This is just things that I have in the workshop that I can send to you. So if you don't have tissue paper, I can send you some nice coloured tissue paper. And if you don't have, I don't know what, I do have some more of these frames. So if you'd like one of these frames, I can send one of these out to you, okay? This is really nice with the green. I like my leaf with the green, they're really nice. And it's nice to use really opposing, contrasting colours with it. So put the shiny side down, matte side up. The purple on this look really good. And it's really light and immediately it looks really good. So I think you'll really have fun doing this. And I didn't need to show you another one, I just like doing it, so I just do another one. I pretend I'm doing it for you, I'm doing it for me. Oh, I think that, oh, that is really nice. So now I could get another frame. Can you see that? There's another one. So, give it a go, okay? I'll say bye now, but I'll do another video soon. We're going to start thinking about doing some Easter things, since we've got Easter coming up. And maybe using some nice things from your walks in your gardens, okay? So, be good to your families and happy making. And don't forget, you're a kid, you have fun, okay? That's your job. You just have some fun, okay? Take care, everybody. Bye.